George Fisher Piping Systems. George Fisher stands for innovative pipeline components made from malleable cast iron. Let's take a look at the requirements in detail. The new threadless pipe joint must be suitable for all key applications. Therefore, the range of thermal and mechanical loads is large. As a solution for repairs and system expansions, the jointing technology must be compatible with the most common pipe types and pipe materials. Especially in hard-to-access areas where thread cutting is not possible, the problem solver must enable rapid mounting. Pipeline components must be designed for a service life of 50 years. PRIMOFIT, innovation from tradition. Let's take a look at how this is implemented in practice. First, we prepare for mounting. The insertion depths are marked based on the total fitting length. The pipe is severed at the 2 points marked. Sharp burrs on the ends of the pipes must be removed. PRIMOFIT can be slid onto the pipe right away, as it is supplied pre-assembled from George Fisher. The threads sealed before are screwed into the valve. The tightening of the compression joint is specified in a practical manner with the number of rotations. The locking ring holds the pipe firmly and secures against pushing and pulling forces. The external diameters of the welded pipes often deviate from the threaded pipe. The aim of manufacturing companies is to keep interruptions to operation as short as possible during line repairs and extensions. The modular concept of PRIMOFIT also enables PE pipes to be connected. All technical requirements and customer needs are now combined in the PRIMOFIT compression fitting. Quick, compact, universal, practical. What is more, PRIMOFIT offers additional benefits for the user. PRIMOFIT, innovation from tradition.